Welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing with Flarp. If you already have this item, you can show me it on Instagram and fight on that like button. Fight on it. Don't literally fight on it, because then your phone or whatever you have is gonna be disgusting. Smell disgusting. Now I am gonna open the Flarp. See this? It farted. It fights and fights and fights. And I'm gonna take this out. It's stretchy and stretchy and stretchy. It's kind of bubbly and squishy, but watch this. Stretch. It's a super fun item to play with. And I have to show you something. Let me stretch it out. Look at that little stuff. Like it. See that? It's very weird. Like that. And if you do this, watch it. It fights and fights. They sound like weird farts. You should use it in an elevator when you're stuck. It really comes in handy if you have this item. If you don't have this item, go buy it because it's good. It comes in handy when you have Flarp when you're stuck in the elevator.
Why did you get stuck in the elevator?
Yes, a bunch of comments.
When did you get stuck in the elevator?
I got it last night, and I was stranded, and you don't see me. And after
Who did you get stuck with?
my grandparents, and if you're knowing who I got stuck with, I got stuck with my grandparents.
How'd you get out?
I got out. If you're wondering also how I got out by the fire department.
Okay, so let's see what your toy can do.
It can fart and fart and fart, and it farts and farts and floops, and then it that's what happened. And then
That's disgusting.
they sound like weird farts, but it's not weird fart. Cause watch this. It's made out of fart. It's made out of fart. That's why it's farting. See that? Watch this. Oh.
Okay, is there anything you want to tell your followers?
Yes. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And fight on that like button. And bye. Bye, guys.